the house. New trumpet. No, it's not a trumpet. This is going to be the heart of a rocket stove. I'm going to build clay around it, and then we're going to put water running through it, and we're going to test a rocket stove. So I got this copper just the other day. It's got some nice fixings there, so it's easy to connect up. So it's a little test. This is a prototype. Once I've tested it, I'm going to make a bigger one. So that's my copper piping, and this way a little bit later today we'll do some seed collecting. We'll just show you, see that little bug on there? That's the larvae of, does anybody know? A ladybug. But they're really good in the garden, so I'm going to collect these seeds. These are some pok choy seeds, so seed collecting, seed saving. Have you stayed? Permaculture Farm, Insta @HaveYouStayed. Out!